Hi, I'm Michael Newrock, and I'm just about to take a trade. I'm on the Aussie yen on the 4-hour time frame, and looking like a really nice attack here. Buying the dip in this case. The overall direction is up with 4 out of the 6 higher time frames pointing up. So that's good. Fast moving average has crossed a slow moving average. Trend follower has just changed from red to green. My RSI is above the 50 line. MACD is above the 0, and stochastic has already crossed over. So it's looking good. The other thing that I like about it, small risk but big potential reward. So my trade assistant alert has come up here. All I need to do is click yes. And there you go. I've got my order placed. My target is, well, my risk is at around 50 pips, but there's around 250 pips in the potential reward. So again, that's what I always look for when I take a trade. Small risk, big return. So let's see how this trade goes. I'm pretty positive about it, and I'll update now and come back as soon as I have another update. Okay, so I'm back, just over $800 in profit right now, and we're currently sitting at around 70 pips. It reached a high of about 80 pips. My stops have been moved to lock-in profits, and you know there's still about 170 odd pips to go. Overall, strong position. 4 out of my 6 high time frames are pointing up, and this is all just using half lot positions. So 2 half lot positions, already sitting at over $800 if I chose to close out right now. But I'm going to pause the video and come back as soon as I have an update. Let's see how far this trade can go. Okay, so both my positions have been closed out. It was quite a dramatic correction on price, and nevertheless, I'm $322 up. Of course, it could have gone the other way. I could have made another 1,000 or more. So that's just the way it goes with trading right now. I'm not delighted with this trade, but hey, a winning trade is a good trade. I had stuck to the system. I had my profits locked in, and this is just the way it goes. Sometimes you get a runaway trade that ends up making several $1,000s with 200-300 pips or more, and other times you get caught in the correction, or it just moves so dramatically against you. But as long as you have your profits locked in, you've got a fighting chance of at least winning more than you're losing, and that's what it's all about. So I look forward to sharing more with you, the software, the resources, the training, of course, the community, everything else that goes with the Trend Profiteer package. So until next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.